Actually, nakakagulat. Ang daming nag-event yan. Yung mga katulad sila, Ma'am Sarita sa triathlon, isang tawag lang nila, ang daming nag-open water. Dahil sa Philippine Aquatics, bago tong event, so the last, sabihin mo na 4 or 5 editions pa lang ng games, na naging part of open water swimming. Pero considering that, dami pa rin na interested na dito sumali. So I guess it's the mentality of the swimmers na medyo extreme sports to. Ito talaga, langoy yan to. Hindi na sila kailangan mag-reserve to run or to bike after. Ito talaga all out sa pagdating sa swimming event. Tapos, meron nga kaming side dito na may festival which is may age group rin, pero hanggang 70 years old na mga bata, na mga bata pa, isip bata. Na may mga age gaps. So, parang grouping siya para may kapwa kakalaro. So, para rin siya ng sistema to make it more accommodating sa ating sa community. And since it's open water also, meron rin siyang family thing. The son, the daughter is competing at a higher level, and the parents also can just finish the 2-kilometer swim, which is already considered, it's part of the festival, 2 kilometro na lang. Mahirap din po, hindi biro yung 2 kilometers. Ako, when I was a swimmer, ang 40 ko, nag-umpisa sa 400, pinakamahaba ko na yun. Bumaba ako sa sprint sa 100. Pero 1500, hindi ko talaga tinatch yan. Kasi ibang lahi ng mga swimmers ang kailangan natin dyan. No? To go 2 kilometers, from me, is already a challenge. So, I think just to be able to finish 2 kilometers, and imagine 10 kilometers. So talaga medyo challenging na rin talaga. Super challenging po ang event.
Bibreak mo daw siya. Bibreak mo daw niya.
Sinusubukan ko lumungoy. Sabi ko, talaga iba to ha. Iba ha.
Chairman, sana yung hypothetical question ko sana sa'yo na if you are still active right now, would you consider
Actually, Jerry, it's not that if I were a swimmer and then do this, the answer would definitely be yes. But today, at my age, na senior golfer na ako, I would love to. Pero mag-start lang ako ng 2 kilometers. Hindi ko kaya yung 10 kilometers. Mag-start muna ako just to get the competitive juices running again.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman.
Yes, so thank you so much, Philippine Aquatics Incorporated, for gracing our PSA forum. Sige, please, baka may additional invite, short invite, ang ating Executive Director, Anthony Reyes, please.
I'd like to invite all the swimmers here locals to join the festival, to boost our open water events.
Yes. And BP, Jojo Kilo, baka po may announcement, lalo na dun sa mga dyan na, sa may aklan, di ba?
Once again, this is like to invite everyone, especially the swimmers who are interested to join the festival event. The 2-kilometer, 3-kilometer event is coming August 22. The event, as what Secjan said, is very potential. Last June, just to update you, we have more swimmers sa 2-kilometer and 3-kilometer na sumali, and the age is between 12 to 13 years old. Mas marami rin sumali, mga more than 90 swimmers sila na sumali. So the event is very interesting, especially to the kids. And even the parents, medyo na-excited parents seeing their kids 12 to 13 years old swimming 2-3 kilometers in an open beach. So the event is really the event has potential, especially us na we have 7,100 items. So once again, thank you very much for the opportunity you've given us to share this event, and please help us disseminate this coming event. Thank you.
Okay, so Chairman Eric, please. additional invite and probably additional announcement as a whole mula sa Philippine Aquatics.
Again, thank you very much to the Philippine Sports Writers Association sa inyo lahat for this opportunity to speak and share with you the 4th Southeast Asia Aquatics Open Water Swimming Championships, August 21 to 23, Boracay New Coast, the province of Aklan, the town of Malay will be hosting. Please help us extend, disseminate the information to our enthusiasts in open water swimming. This is a beginning, the first, and looking forward to many others that we will be able to really promote and showcase our beautiful beaches to the rest of the world. So looking forward to that. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much. And of course, PSC Commissioner Matthew Grace Gaston.
Yeah, like what Kong Eric has mentioned, we actually thank you, Judith and Randy, for hosting, for giving this opportunity to our PAI, no, to ma-interview. Alam naman natin, marami kayong tayong mga followers dito, mga viewers and readers. No? At least they become aware of this event, and maybe some of them either follow it, if it's televised. If not, some of them can go there, no, and visit. But ang important thing is there's an awareness, and hopefully we can get support from them in following these sports, no? Para it becomes popular swimming per se, no? Hindi lang tayo puro basketball na lang atin. So we are given opportunity for all our other sports also. Lalo na yung pagkayang pwedeng ang mga Olympic hopefuls natin. So again, thank you in behalf of PSC for hosting this. No?
Yes, maraming salamat po Philippine Sports Commission and Philippine Aquatics for bringing the Southeast Asian Open Water Swimming to the Philippines. Let's go to Boracay, August 21 to 23. This is your PSA Sports Forum. Great day and God bless everyone.